Alright, so here is my handlebar phone mount completed. I redesigned the web here a bit to make it much better. Put a bunch of holes in it so it's much more flexible, and I also, at the corners here, made these sort of bands rather than the holes, because I didn't, it was the original way, these were sticking way up. And so I trimmed them down and I made these sort of band shaped so they work well, and it clamps on very nicely. It's very rigid as far as the ball and socket joint there. Tighten that up, and it installs. I mean, it clips on really. You almost don't even need the screw. So there's gonna be a nut here and a screw coming from the other side, and oops, it really. I'm trying to do this tricky one hand. But it almost don't even need the screw. I mean, I could make it a little tighter and it might not even need the screw. So you can see here, this is two pieces. So so you don't have to take the grips off, even though the grip is off of this bike. This bike is a work in progress. Got some new parts for it. Oh, now I did it. So anyway, see if I can do this one-handed. I want to put it back on. So basically, I mean, ideally you do this without the phone already on it and with two hands, but I just got to get that lined up, and it should, like, it basically clips right on with the one piece. So like just the one piece on there will hold it a bit. Obviously not good enough to work, but that one piece clips on there very nicely, and then this guy just clips down on there, and this actually, even just like that, really holds it well. Not enough to ride, obviously, so when I put the screw there, it'll be much better. This is the original one that I designed, but it's split. It's split here. I don't know why that's not focusing. Yeah, so it's split right there as I was tightening it. So you can see this one is much beefier there, and so that should work out. So I'm pretty happy about this. Should protect my, should hold my phone and protect it from going flying. And looking forward to some nice riding weather. Maybe this weekend. We'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna put this up for a download. Actually, I know what I wanted to do. I wanted to pull this off just to show the basic, how this looks flat. So this is TPU, and it just prints flat. But this this corner, so these the way that I did the bands on this corner here make it very effective for holding, and the million holes here make it much more stretchable. I just couldn't stretch it as it initially was. So now, and if the phone, if you're making it for a little different size phone, you can always scale this up or down to make it fit whatever phone. But this is a Pixel 7 Pro, and I'm filming with the Galaxy Note 9, and they're basically the same, some very close in size, and all the phones are pretty much mostly the same size these days. But yeah, so you can see the shape of the, that's how this guy clamps, and then this guy holds it in place. Overall nice design. Very happy with it.